Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikola and this is my first ever YouTube video, so please be kind. So I'm a UGC creator and I cannot wait to share my journey on this channel. In this episode, we're going to be setting up my new IKEA desk, and it's going to be a multitasker, okay? Because it's going to be a desk, it's going to be a beauty station, nail station, UGC station, literally anything and everything. I am so excited for you guys to see and hopefully come along. And I think the desk, as you will see in a second, it was a very messy situation. So we are on a mission to declutter the visual clutter and just introduce a little bit more calm into our lives. So this is going to be the first one, but the channel is going to be so much more. I really want to start Project Pan very soon. So hopefully you'll see some updates very soon, and also just daily UGC. But overall, I think it's going to be just very homely, very cozy, and hopefully something that you can relate to and we can just motivate each other. So without further ado, here we go. So just to give you a little bit of a context visually. This is the said beauty station, and it has just been visible clutter for so long. And obviously this is our bed. So this is what we see every time we lay down. When I wake up, this is going to my husband's garage that he can do his art stuff on. This is going to go to another room as well, and we want to like a proper office chair. Now, our plan is to actually move this chest of drawers there, and then the new desk to be here. Because if we keep the new desk in there, I won't be able to have the actual chair that I want. Alex's drawers are actually quite deep. They're 60 centimeters. So then it would literally mean that we wouldn't have, not that we have much space now, but this is just obviously not working. But this is where I keep all like my current projects in. Obviously it's overflowing always, so it's not a solution. The future plan would be to actually have more space in these closets for my projects. So obviously that means more decluttering for like clothes as well. The plan is now to clear out this because the desk is delivered tomorrow, just for a more visual context. And please ignore the mess. I really hope that you just ignore it at this point. But yeah, we are hopefully going to make it a more peaceful and way less chaotic space. Now, another issue is that there is a Wi-Fi box in there that obviously has to stay there. Hopefully, when we move this here, it will finish just with that socket there, and then we can have the Wi-Fi router behind the TV. I actually really want to get rid of this TV, and we never watch TV here. Now, these two are just miscellaneous. I don't even know what's inside those two. Perfumes and like different body sprays, SPF, just a jewelry box. And this is more like grab and go things. But guess what? Most of it I don't grab and go. It just stays here. Clutter is everything. I think the goal, honestly, would be to just clear out like outside space completely and have like a nice little decor, because obviously that would help with my UGC as well. Also, it could be my desk as well then, because I would have open space to have my laptop, planners, lights and everything. And then on top of that, I could do my nails there, which is always an issue because I always just spread it on the dining table. It's quite messy, really. Hi, bud. This is Mochi, everyone. Say hi, Mochi. I am beyond excited to just get rid of all this visual clutter. It's going to be so much more calm. Oh my God, I can't wait. This mirror is gonna stay, I reckon. Also, I did put together like a bag of makeup and the skincare I'll need before I set up a new desk. You judging mummy? I honestly think the trolley, I'm just gonna keep everything on it and just roll it out if I can. This is the next day and the IKEA desk just arrived. I ordered that little cupboard that goes on top with like 2 pull-out shelves. This is so exciting. I don't know if I showed you yesterday, but this is where we are now. So we took all of these out last night to obviously move it because it was so heavy otherwise. And then behind one of those shelves, there was a little pocket of money from our wedding that we thought we lost when we got Moch because we took the cash out to get him. So that was a little bonus, wasn't it? It was like over 2 years ago when we lost that money. That was quite funny. This piece is gonna go to Charlie's office, and this I don't know. I will keep it for now. Right, this is the update. Now I'm gonna get Mochi some breakfast. Someone just had his brekkie and is a very happy, relaxed boy. This is Mochi. He's the cutest squeeze in the world. Okay, so I just got ready for a couple of UGC videos that I need to shoot today, but naturally I just cannot wait to tackle those, at least the Alex drawers, to just put them together, maybe at least one. I just really want to start seeing the vision coming together because this is freaking chaos right now. I'm so weirdly excited, and I know this might be so weird for you guys because we just met. A little background into this is because my house, our house has been so cluttered since we moved in, really, which was like over 3 years ago. Well, no, 3 years in December. I feel like it was a little bit of like a mental switch for me because secretly, did I enjoy this visual clutter? Did I enjoy having all my products on display? But then the display to who? Obviously, the beauty of UGC is that we are highlighting products, but at the same time, if we're highlighting a product, brands don't want to have other brands visible. So I'm like, what was holding me back? I must have just secretly enjoyed it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just very excited to tackle it. So I guess let's go. This is the desktop. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, why is this lighter than the other one? This is our space to work with. Can you?
Jeepers. And it's my first time on the camera. Flat on the floor for you, my love.
Oh, the whole family's here. Hey, bud. Okay.
Hey, bud.
Okay, this is a nightmare for me.
Why is that exciting?
I don't know, I'm just way too excited for this. See, this looks scary to me. Okay.
Fix whatever one works. Whatever one fits.
Okay, bye, bud.
See you, little Weasley. You're gonna be fine.
Hammer? I'm guessing this is like a regular. Oh, maybe this one. Do I organize these? I think I will. Okay, 2. This deserves a coffee break. This man makes the best coffee. Yeah, there's supposed to be 4 of them. I was right. Where are you? It's not here. Oh! Okay. It is here. I'm just a girl. Right, number 1. You need to go here, and then you need to come here. Should have probably moved it closer to me. Ta-da! So satisfying when they like get tight. Also, do you guys get excited for like new furniture and little enhancements to your home as well? Or am I just being completely mental and delusional that this will change my life? I don't know if I did it correctly. We'll see what happens. Oh, this is so heavy. Wait, Is that the correct way around? Why do I feel like this is the bottom? Ah! Oh, and then I need to do it all over again. I'm gonna be so sore. Wait, so I was right? Guys, this is the top indeed. Yes. Guys, should this be this hard? This doesn't seem right. Oh, yay. Very tight. Yay. Last one. It's ridiculous. Thank you. Okay, so it's definitely time for lunch. One of the Alex drawers set up. So we're gonna do the same with the other one off camera because I cannot bore you to death with this. Okay guys, lunch has been eaten, UGC has been recorded. So yeah, now I'm gonna crack on with the other Alex drawers. I better get going. Yay! I feel like at this point I just promised myself that I'm gonna finish it. Now I think because I put the top drawers in, I don't think I'm going to be able to screw the back of the counter. Do I have to? I will probably do that. I will try to obviously put them in, but if it doesn't work, then I guess this is enough. If you think that's a bad idea, just come for me. Okay. This is it. Oh, I'm so done. And I still have that bloody cupboard to go on top to do. Whew. Now looking at it, I think in the future I want to have an actual table lamp here. Get rid of this is random. And then this, I don't know, because I mostly use it actually for content, to just see myself in the rear view, but maybe I can put it somewhere here. Okay guys, so here is how the desk looks like currently. And then I guess we just need to fill it up and organize it. Oh, I thought I was gonna show you where all the things from the other room ended up. So these are all the products that we took out from this beauty station, by the way. I am planning to put all those boxes away in my closet, find a designated space for it. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Here we've got this space here, which I feel like it's not organized or planned out. So I think some of the boxes are going to go in here, and then some of the rest can go in here. But I really want bigger boxes to put all my shoes together. And then this, I just stopped enjoying it. I ordered some boxes to go in those slots as well. We'll see what we can put away in those. Maybe some shoes as well, but maybe some UGC projects, like running projects, because now I've lost the thing that was there originally, the white ottoman. This is now in the living room, working as sort of like a coffee table. I don't know if this is a permanent option. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any thoughts. But this little corner looks very cozy right now. All of these products are gonna go in here. So then we can get rid of this as well. Maybe like a big plant in there, or maybe we can get like a stand for this plant because it loves the sunshine. Also, look, I'm watching the... Hey, bud. I think this week the organizers are gonna come so I can start playing around. Exciting things to come. I can't wait for the organizers. Okay guys, I think this sums up my first ever YouTube episode. I literally can't believe it. We set up the desk and now I just cannot wait to organize it all. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much if you have watched the entire thing. I'm so impressed if you have. But as I'm new to the YouTube community, it would be amazing if you would like to subscribe or just leave me a heart on this video or a comment what I've done right, if anything, and what I've done wrong, because I do want to learn, and also let me know what you'd like to see. The next one is gonna be super exciting for me. I literally cannot wait to set up those cupboards. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you here. Have an amazing week and I'll see you in the next one.